Hazrat Taus has reported from Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu that when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam would perform the tahajjud prayer at night, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would supplicate thus: O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, our Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, all praise is due to you. You are the sustainer of the heavens and the earth, and all praise is due to you. You are the Lord of the heavens and the earth and whatever is in between them. All praise is due to you. You are the light of the heavens and the earth and whatever is in between them. You are a fact. Your word is true. Your promise is true. Your vision is a fact. Paradise is a fact. Hell is a fact. And the hour is a fact. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I have submitted myself to you, and in you I believe. In you I repose my trust. With your support I fought with the enemies. At your behest I issue judgment. So pardon me for what I did in the past, sent forward, or will do in the future left behind, and what I did secretly and what I did openly, for you know better than I. There is no worthy of worship save you. Imam Bukhari said, the report of Abu Zubair from Taus contains Qayyamun in place of Qayyimun. Mujahid says, the sustainer of everything is called Al-Qayyum. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu has read Al-Qayyam. These both are the words of praise. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7442.